Hola amigas, ¿cómo estás? It's your girl Chelsea back with a new video. For today's video, I'll be recording the makeup look done and inspired by, not done, it's inspired by Blackpink's new single coming out very soon with Selena Gomez. So I'm doing the roses makeup look today with the red hairband and everything. It's a teaser picture which is uploaded on Instagram. If you want to go ahead and check that out, and let's get right into the video. So since it's a Korean makeup look, so why not do my Korean intro too? 안녕하세요. 내 채널에 오신 것을 환영합니다. 오늘 영상에서는 블랙핑크의 로즈 신곡고 아이스크림 용감을 받은 메이크업 룩에서 선보여드립니다. So let's get right into that, and do not mind my Korean. I tried. So for this makeup look, I'll be switching up my routine and be starting with the foundation. Uh-oh. I'll take a little foundation in my hand and mix in my essential castor oil. I'm taking the oil on this. Just few drops of it and mixing it together. Just go and apply it on your face. I'm using a damp beauty blender for starting this routine. So if you notice, if you use a damp beauty blender, the blending process accelerates quite a lot. After I'm done blending the foundation, I'll be going in with the concealer next and conceal the inner corner of my eyes. Going in with here in a triangle. After I'm done applying the concealer, I'm going to blend it again with the same damp blender. So Rose's makeup look does not involve heavy makeup, it is just giving her light enhance on a natural beauty. So that's what kind of look we are going for today. So after applying my concealer and blending it out, I'm going to go next in with the eyes, but before that I'll be applying my setting powder. So let's get right into that. I'll be taking my setting powder, just tap it on the brush, tap the excess off and apply a little under my eyes. After we're done applying the setting powder, let's leave it to set for a while. While that is setting, we are going to go in with our eyeshadow. For this base, I'm going to be using this pink shade, applying it all over my eye. If you see her makeup look, you will notice that it does not have any heavy eyeshadow over the eyelids, but it is kind of blended brownish under the eyes. So we're going to focus on that. After I'm done applying the pink shadow base, next I'm gonna go in with this brown and apply it on the outer area and under my eyes, so it gives it the blend look. After I'm done blending the eyeshadow, next I'm gonna go in with this glitter shade. I'm going to go in with this glitter shade and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. For that, I'm going to be using my hand. And with the eyes, I'm just going to blend the setting powder. After that's done, next let's move on with the bronzer. Rose's makeup look have a very bronzed look to it, so that's what we're gonna go for. So for eyeliner, I'll be using the water liner and applying it to the outer corner of my eyes, not all over my eye. So it is just, in her look, it is just the outer area. So let's get with that. So that is how it looks with the eyeliner. Next, I'm going to go in with my mascara and apply it on my eyelashes. I'm not going to apply fake lashes because in her picture it doesn't seem like she has applied any. So that is how it looks after applying the mascara. Next, I'm going to go in with blush and take the peach shade from the blush and apply it just a little, not over, just a little. So that is how little blush you have to apply. You don't have to apply over the top or any kind of excess makeup because in our look it is very subtle, very normal, very like natural look. So let's get in with the details of the makeup and we're done with the look. So for the lips, I'll be going with the gradient look. For that, I'll be using this orange shade with my red shade. So let's wrap up that. So that's my lip look. So lastly, I'm finishing it off with drawing 2 dots, or yes, I'll be drawing 2 dots. In her picture it's stars, but stars are very, I don't want to mess my makeup, so I'll be drawing 2 dots over here and finishing it off with the highlighter. So even though I told I'll be drawing dots, I went with the stars. It's not that bad, but I like it. So I'm done with my makeup look. Finally adding my highlighter. This is the gold shade I'll be going in and applying it. So that is it for my makeup video. The last detail I will be adding into this look is this red hairband. If you see her teaser picture of ice cream, she has worn a red hairband. So let me do my hair real quick. So that's the final look. I don't know why, but I guess my hair turned out more like Lisa and my makeup turned out more like Rose. So it's all good. So that's the final look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you liked my videos, and leave down the comments if you want to see more of my videos. Bye bye.